So I'm going for a walk on the beach now. It's pretty much the second day. Like in Clare that I'm in. So as you guys saw from that inflatable obstacle course, I'm going to be going to that today, and I know the camera may be a little bit shaky. I forgot to bring my fucking selfie stick. But right now I'm going for a walk on the beach and just get a bit of calm for the day, because I'm going to have some fun, maybe try and gonna see if I can record that inflatable obstacle course, but it's going to be sick.
Oh god. Oh.
Oh god.
Oh yeah.
Oh my, this is too good.
Don't be afraid to touch.
Through the highways, and